How to pay with gift card on the Shein app. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily pay with the gift card on Shein app. If you have some gift card and want to apply it to your items on Shein, just follow these simple steps. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so first of all, open up your Shein app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you just want to head over to your cart where you have added some items, or if you have not added anything, go ahead and add these items to cart like this. And once that is done, you can select the items that you want to check out. So for example, I'm just going to check out the item that I've just selected right here and tap on checkout. And for this, first you have to enter your shipping address. And once you have added your shipping address, you can apply voucher if there are any available. As you can see, I have a free shipping voucher. And then if you want to add your gift card, just tap on gift card. Then you should add your card number. Make sure that the gift card is valid and then enter the PIN for your gift card. Then tap on apply. And if the card is valid, it will automatically be applied to your product. And while you check out, you can tap on continue and you can purchase the product that way. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.